Hi guys, so today I'm going to show what I bought from the Nika Summer Super Savers special sale. It's a really a tongue twister, but yeah, let me show you what I got from this sale. This is the Nika disinfectant spray. Obviously, this is a essentials product, and I got it at good discount. Next, we have the Nika K Lucky Charm 9 eyeshadow palette, which has amazing colors, and I would love to try out some looks from this. Then we have the Vaseline Calming Lavender Lotion. It was not on discount, but I wanted to try it out. I love lavender as a fragrance, and what could be more good than having it as your body lotion? The consistency is not too thick, not too thin, just perfect for summers, I believe, and it will be really great for people who have dry skin. Then we have the Bombay shaving face razors. I've not tried them yet, but they look very promising. They have a cap for safety, and yeah, I think these are just regular face shavers. I was out of them, so I bought it. Then we have the wheat strips. This came in the Nika Beauty box, which I will link down below. There was like a box with 14 products, so it was one of them. Then we have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Again, it was not on sale, but I wanted to try out as it's good for oily skin people. So I'm happy with my Pond Super Light Gel, but wanted to give other products a try for review. So yeah. Then we have the Color Bar Makeup Remover Wipes. I've used them. They are great. They remove your makeup, waterproof makeup, and I love them, so I bought two. Then we have the Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash. I know it's very great for sensitive skin and it's soap free, and there was good discount on it. I really wanted to give Simple products a try this time, so I bought a lot of products from Simple, and so far it looks promising. I've used it a couple of times and it's very gentle on the skin. If you're from sensitive skin people, you can definitely go for this one. It won't do any harm to your skin, and it's super gentle on your face. So yeah, definitely worth a buy. So as I said, I got a lot of products from Simple, and this is the Rich Moisturizer. So this is basically for dry skin people. I got it from my husband since he's from dry skin category, and again there was good discount, so I bought it, and it looks good for now. My husband is enjoying it. The consistency is thick, so but it's not too heavy, like it does not make your face greasy. So even if you're from dry skin, you can totally use it from summers. It would moisturize and at the same time not leave your skin very greasy looking as well. Then I was out of body razors, so I got this one from Venus. It has soap attached to the razor, so when you use it, the soap foams up, which I think is a good one, a good thing to have in your razor. The razor works nice. It's soft, it's gentle, and it does a good job. And yeah, it's a little expensive than usual razors. Like the one I used to use came for men specifically, but since this is designed specifically for females, I think it's a good one. And I also got these two refill packs as well, which I think are very hygienic and good products, so definitely give it a try. Then we have makeup remover wipes from Simple. These are micellar cleansing wipes, and I've not used them yet, but since Simple has been showing good results with other products, I'm pretty sure this one would be good too. And it is quite cheap as well, like affordable. With 325 you get 25 wipes. Then we have wipes from Faces Canada also. I wanted to give them a try, and they were on good discount, so I bought it. Then this is a refill pack from Simple Micellar Cleansing Water. I already have used and finished the micellar cleansing water. Again, it's very gentle on the skin. Sensitive people can use it too. This is just a refill pack for it. So this is just a way to cut down on your plastic consumption. So yeah, I got this one. Will refill it in the same bottle that I have. Then we have the Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liners, and they come in I think they have 12 shades inside this, and this comes in this steel packaging like this one. And they're not the softest lip liners, I would say. Like the pack lip liner I use is very soft on my lips, but yeah, they definitely do have a good variety there. Then we have the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer, and I have used it. And the alcohol fragrance in this one is pretty strong. I was looking for some affordable makeup fixers, but the fragrance is too strong of alcohol that I do not feel very safe on applying it. Although people have given good reviews about it, and also the pump, the mist is not the finest. Like the pack mist is so fine, but I did not really enjoy this one. So I would say you can pass this one. Then, me being a fan of rose waters, I wanted to give some affordable rose waters a try. So I got this Wadi Herbals one, and I have used it a little, you as you can see, and it is very good. It is very gentle. It's not made of Connaught roses or anything if of sort. It's actually made of wild roses, but trust me, it feels as good as those roses, and it's very gentle. No harm done so far. Then I had this Nykaa Veggie Safe vegetable washer, and again it does a good job. It does a fine job, removes all the dirt. My vegetables literally shine after using this, and it's safe to use. And I've not seen any side effects of it, and but it works perfectly fine also. Then again, this came in the Nykaa Beauty box. These are tulip wipes. I have not used them yet. These are not makeup remover wipes, but just your regular wet wipes. Then I restocked upon my Java rose water. I love them especially for travel purposes, and I also got the Love Earth rose water. Then we have the Mamaearth Tea Tree body wash. I've not used it yet, but I love Mamaearth products, and I was looking forward for some summer specific body washes, and this one is, I think, a good choice. Then I wanted to try some affordable lashes, so I bought these Nykaa lashes. These are from Melodrama and Turn Up the Drama. I've not tried them yet, but will definitely show you in my future videos. Then I restocked upon my Kama Jasmine face cleanser. You must have seen it in my MD's video. I wanted to repurchase it, and I got it. Then we have the star of the show. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and it was on a super 35% discount, and I grabbed it in one click. Actually, it's a gift from my husband. So it has beautiful shade. There are this certain new kind of pigments that they've launched in it, and they look dazzling on the eyes. Trust me, they make your eyes stand out so well, and the colors are so beautiful. Trust me, the video is not doing the justice. Then I got this Nykaa lipstick. I forgot the range name, but I'm sure it comes for rupees 249 or 299. And this is the shade that I got. It came in the Nykaa Beauty box. The shade is fine. I did not plan to buy it since it was a part of the beauty box, so it does fine job. It's not matte. It's a creamy matte lipstick. So yeah. Then I also got the Olay whipped cream. It's very soft on the skin, and it looks very matte as well. Don't go by the texture, it will disappear on your face, and the consistency is very nice. You can easily layer up your other skincare on this. Then again, in the Nykaa Beauty box, I got this Dot & Key hydration gel. Again, it feels very similar to Pond's Light gel. Will let you know if there is any difference I observed in my skin using this, but the consistency is very similar, and it's not fragrance like the Pond's one. Then we got this combo pack from McCaffeine. It's their face wash and face mask, both of coffee. I haven't used McCaffeine products, and these trial packs are I think, good start to give the McCaffeine a brand as a try. Then again, the Nykaa Beauty box, I got this nail paint. Not a big fan of nail paints, but yeah. And then I have this Wadi Herbals. I have used their orange, strawberry variants. Both love them. Now I'm trying the blueberry variant. Definitely give it a try if you're a fan of lip balms. I love them, and they're super affordable. Then we have the Nykaa Wanderlust Country Rose Body Scrub. It came in the Nykaa Beauty box, and so far I've been loving it. It's very creamy, but not very creamy, and the scrub particles are also good. I do use the shower gel of the same variant along with this, and I smell good, but not for so long. Then in the beauty box, I had the Kaya Seaweed Hydrating Night Mask. It's very light on the skin, and it will disappear on your face once you apply it. Very jelly and very thin in consistency, but no results yet. One thing I observed that it's very cooling on the face. So if you're looking for something like, especially when you sleep in AC, if you want something to keep your skin hydrated, I think this is a good choice for that. Then again in the beauty box, I got this Mom's Co under eye cream. I've heard a lot about it, especially the roll-on one, but I will definitely do give this a try as well because it looks very promising. And especially the consistency, it might look very thick, but it's not that thick, and it's very like, it'll leave your skin not very greasy, which I hate. So I look for first thing that in the products. Then I also wanted to try the Faces Canada weightless foundation. Since we are at home, I have not we're not applying too much of makeup, so I want something that will just give me a very sheer coverage, just to look very a little perfect in the during the day. And I think this one is doing a fine job for me for now. Last but not the least, we have a Nykaa Home Safe floor cleaner. I know it's a very random non-beauty product, but guys, please stay safe, take care of yourself, and disinfect everything.